Did you know the cooperative ties between Turkey and Russia are growing stronger in every sector? This unfolding relationship is not a mere coincidence but a strategic move, especially within the realm of energy independence, a major goal for Turkey. This tale of increasing collaboration and the quest for self-reliance is as intriguing as it is complex. Today, we will delve into this captivating narrative of power dynamics, diplomacy, ups and downs. But before we embark on this journey, do us a small favor. If you enjoy content like this, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, Intel Prime. Your support helps us grow and continue to bring you more insightful content. Let's explore together. The roots of Turkey and Russia's relationship stretch back centuries, rich in historical heritage. With the Cold War's conclusion, both nations found new opportunities to cooperate. The 90s saw a swift development in their economic ties, but it was the dawn of the new millennium that marked a significant phase. A close dialogue between the leaders of both nations emerged, culminating in the establishment of the High-Level Cooperation Council in 2010, an institution that would shape their partnership. However, the path of bilateral cooperation between Turkey and Russia wasn't always smooth. The Syrian crisis tested the strength of their relationship, pushing it to the brink. But the mutual desire of the Turkish and Russian people for peace and stability prevailed. A normalization process was initiated and an intense bilateral political dialogue was re-established in the second half of 2016. Economic and trade relations have been the backbone of the Turkish-Russian relationship. Russia has consistently been one of Turkey's most significant trade partners. In 2019 alone, the trade volume between the two states soared to an impressive $26.3 billion USD. Turkey exported goods worth $3.8 billion USD, while importing goods worth $22.4 billion USD. Turkish contractors have realized a staggering 1,972 projects in Russia, worth over $75.7 billion. The investments both nations have made in each other's economies have reached a healthy $10 billion each. Energy is another crucial aspect of the Turkey-Russia relationship. The Turkstream and Akuyu nuclear power plant projects have deepened the cooperation between Turkey and one of its leading energy suppliers, Russia. The Turkstream natural gas pipeline, inaugurated on the 8th of January 2020, is a testament to this. Deepening the energy cooperation between Turkey and Russia is the focus on nuclear energy. One significant project that stands out is the Akuyu nuclear power plant. This joint venture between the two nations is not just a symbol of cooperation, but also a significant step towards Turkey's energy security. The plant is expected to meet approximately 10% of Turkey's electricity needs, reducing reliance on imported energy. Russia's role in this project is pivotal, providing both the technology and expertise to help Turkey develop its nuclear energy capabilities. The Akuyu nuclear power plant is more than a power station. It's a testament to the strong energy partnership between Turkey and Russia, ensuring a sustainable and secure energy future for Turkey. The burgeoning ties between Turkey and Russia have found a new frontier in the defense sector, particularly with the S-400 defense system. This Russian-made missile defense system has been a game-changer in Turkey's defense capabilities, as Turkey made the strategic decision to purchase it despite global controversies. The acquisition not only bolsters Turkey's defense, but also signifies a paradigm shift in its defense policy. This move has been seen as a bold step by Turkey, choosing to prioritize its national interests over international pressures. The S-400 defense system is not just a tool for national defense, but a symbol of the strategic bond between Turkey and Russia. It stands as another testament to the growing partnership between the two nations, underscoring their commitment to mutual defense cooperation and strategic partnership. Tourism is another significant area of bilateral relations. In 2019, Turkey welcomed over 7 million Russian tourists, setting a new record. In recent years, Russian tourists have consistently topped the list of visitors to Turkey. Turkey maintains an embassy in Moscow, consulates general in St. Petersburg, Kazan, and Novorossiysk, and an honorary consulate in Ekaterinburg. Similarly, the Russian Federation has an embassy in Ankara, consulates general in Istanbul, Antalya, and Trabzon, and an honorary consulate in Izmir. To summarize, the relationship between Turkey and Russia is a blend of historical ties, economic cooperation, energy partnerships, and tourism. It has weathered storms and emerged stronger. It's a testament to the power of diplomacy and mutual respect. The journey of Turkey and Russia's relationship is a captivating tale of two nations navigating the intricate world of international relations.
Join Intel Prime channel membership today and get access to exclusive benefits, including early access to new videos, exclusive discounts on Intel products, behind-the-scenes content, live chat with me and other members. Other options will be soon available. Thank you for your support and for helping Intel Prime grow.